G'day all, today I'd like to talk to you about PPE, in particular masks. I'll be the first to admit that I don't wear them all that often, only because to me they're constrictive. I feel a bit claustrophobic in them, and when I do use them, for argument's sake, when I'm using my table saw, sometimes my glasses fog up, and that's not a good situation to be in. So because of that, I don't use them all that often. That is, until now. What I have here is the RZMask M3. It's the new iteration of their previous masks, and it's a whole lot better. When I'm wearing this mask, I don't feel claustrophobic, my glasses don't fog up, and I'm breathing a lot easier. Let me show you what you get in the box when you purchase one of these. You get the mask itself, you get a spare filter to go with it, you get a carry case that clips onto your belt so you've got it with you all the time, and you get 3 different straps that go with it. The first of the straps I want to show you is my favourite. This is the one that goes over the top of the head and around the back of the neck, and it keeps the mask really nice and tight against my face, but I still don't feel claustrophobic and I'm still breathing nice and easy, and my glasses don't fog up. So that's my preferred one. You also get the one that usually comes with the other masks. It just goes around the back of the neck. Very comfortable, Velcro. It works well. And you also get these. If you like the old the masks that we've been wearing throughout the COVID, that go behind the ears, that's what you get as well. RZ have changed up the design a little bit. They've put these clips on the side now so that you can clip in whichever one of these straps that you want to use. Like I said, I prefer these ones, and they just clip into the side. They've also extended the front of the mask. There's, as you can see here, there's a little bit of an extension. And that way, when you've got it on, it doesn't feel like it's pressing against your face, which I think is a great idea. So after using the mask for a couple of weeks now, what do I think of it? I think it's great. I think RZ have really hit on a formula that works. I like it a lot. I actually use the mask now when I'm either cutting on my CNC or cutting at my table saw, which means I'm being protected, and that's the whole idea of these things, to protect your lungs. So if you want to check out one of these masks, head on into TimberCon and have a look. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Speak to the staff there, they'll be only too happy to help you, and when you do get there, tell them Chris sent you.